If you were born after the 1980s, chances are you've never used one of the most important 20th century tools for library research, the card catalog. Like most libraries, we now have an online catalog you can use to search for books and other items in the library's collections. But unlike most libraries, we made sure to keep our card catalog. The card catalog is located through these doors in our main reading room. It includes more than 22 million cards in 22,000 drawers and represents the library's collections through 1980. The card catalog is impressive to behold, but it's much more than an artifact. It is a working tool. There are records in the card catalog for items that can't be found in the online catalog, and you may need to check the card catalog depending on the topic of your research. Not only does the card catalog include records not in our online catalog, but it often includes extra information about materials that are listed in the online catalog. The card catalog is ordered alphabetically, author, by subject, and title. The way that items are described in the card catalog reflects the language and common terms used when the cards were created. For example, records for books about World War I can be found under the subject heading European War, 1914. For help searching the card catalog, talk to our main reading room librarian. You can also check the links below to learn more about its long history. Our card catalog remains an essential part of our organizational system. It helps us keep track of what's in our collections so that you can find the information you're seeking. It's just one of the many resources available to you here. We hope you'll visit us and explore the treasures in our vast collections. We are here to help you.